it's Gina with WTI. And if you have an outside door like this or a window with no coverage so you get rained on, then you're going to want this awning that we got from HIAPES. This has just been so nice to have. We get a ton of rain where we live and we're in and out of our warehouse all the time. And so it's been amazing to be able to have this awning so that we just don't get pelted on, and it keeps the rain from coming inside the sliding door. We got the 40 by 80 inch awning. This has 2 panels. I would recommend having 2 people to put it together, and you're definitely going to need 2 in order to hang it. We had a little bit of a learning curve with putting it together. Once you put the foam around the edges and then get it into the bracket, it can be a little bit of a tight squeeze. So we just simply widened the bracket a little bit using a pair of scissors, and then that enabled it to go in a little bit smoother. You're also going to want to have a power tool in order to put the self-tapping screws in for sure. And then of course to attach the brackets to whatever wall you're installing this on. The small self-tapping screws go in this area of the awning in order to keep everything in place. We found that we did need to use our own mounting screws in order to attach the brackets to our wall just because of the setup that we have. Once it was in place, I could not be more delighted with it. It has these nice rain gutters in front, and as you can see, the rain just ran right out of that and kept it from falling on my head. Make sure to use a good sealant or caulking along the wall where it touches the awning as the manufacturer recommends so that this is truly watertight. I'm very pleased by the functionality of this awning, and that's my point of view.